Welcome to today's video, where I'll demonstrate how to view saved passwords in the Chrome app with this quick tutorial. Let's jump right in. To start, locate and open the Chrome app on your phone. Once you're in Chrome, tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, navigate to and select Settings. Within the Settings section, find and tap on Password Manager. Here, you'll find a list of all the passwords you've saved. To view a specific password, simply tap on the website associated with it. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Settings. If you don't have a screen lock set up on your phone, you'll be prompted to create one. This is necessary for viewing saved passwords. Follow the prompts to set up a screen lock, or if you already have one, unlock your device using it. Once unlocked, you'll see the website, username, and password. You can either copy the password for use or tap on the icon next to it to reveal the password. And there you have it! You successfully viewed your saved passwords in the Chrome app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.